Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential tool for any car owner or automotive enthusiast, the AutoLINK AL629 OBD2 Scanner. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the AutoLINK AL629? In simple terms, it's an advanced diagnostic scanner specifically designed for reading and erasing trouble codes from various systems in your vehicle, including the ABS, SRS, engine, and transmission. This means you can get a comprehensive look at your car's health and quickly identify any issues that may arise. Now let's talk about some of the standout features that make the AL629 a great choice. First off, it offers the ability to read and erase diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs, across multiple systems. This is crucial because it allows you to not only identify the specific problems but also resolve them by clearing the codes once repairs are made. Another important feature is its AutoVIN functionality, which automatically identifies your vehicle's manufacturer-specific codes for models from 2006 and newer. This is particularly helpful for users who may not be familiar with their vehicle's specifics. Plus, the scanner tests O2 monitors, onboard monitors, and O2 sensors, giving you a deeper insight into your vehicle's emissions and overall performance. The I/M readiness feature is another highlight. This allows you to check the emissions readiness status of your vehicle, making it easier to prepare for emissions testing. It's a fantastic tool for ensuring that your car meets environmental standards and helps avoid any potential fines or penalties. One of the best parts? The AutoLINK AL629 comes with free lifetime software updates for as long as you own the tool. This means that as vehicles evolve and new diagnostic codes are introduced, your scanner will remain up to date without any additional cost. Additionally, it includes a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind with your purchase. Who is the AutoLINK AL629 suitable for? It's perfect for both DIY car enthusiasts and professional mechanics. If you like to take care of your vehicle maintenance on your own, this scanner can empower you to diagnose issues before they turn into costly repairs. For professional mechanics, it's a reliable tool that enhances diagnostic capabilities and improves workflow efficiency. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine your check engine light comes on. Instead of heading straight to the mechanic, you can use the AL629 to pull the trouble code, understand the issue, and even clear it if it's a minor glitch. This can save you time and money. Or consider a scenario where you're preparing your vehicle for an emissions test. The I/M readiness function will guide you in ensuring that everything is in order, making the testing process smoother and less stressful. In summary, the AutoLINK AL629 is a versatile and user-friendly OBD2 scanner that caters to a wide range of automotive diagnostic needs. Its comprehensive features, lifetime software updates, and suitability for both DIYers and professionals make it a smart addition to any toolset. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you,